Hello everyone, welcome to Pishi Home Chef. My name is Anne Michelle. Today I want us to make something simple, fun and quite healthy, a fruit punch. The main ingredient is something that is typically not used in drinks, and that's what makes this whole thing fun. I'm talking about guavas. So if you're excited as I am, without wasting any more time, let's dive into the fun part. Our first and main ingredient are guavas. You'll need lots and lots of ripe guavas. Guavas this quantity will make serving enough for 4 people. Our next ingredient is sugar. The amount of guavas you use will determine the amount of sugar you have to use. For this recipe, we'll need 1 tree tomato, also known as tunda damu. Since we're making a fruit punch, throw in a couple of passion fruits, as this should give it the punch. 5 to 8 pieces should do. Next up, we'll need water. This will help in the blending process. And finally, some wild berries. Start by peeling your guavas like this. And then cut them into small blendable pieces. Cut your passion fruits in half and remove the pulp, placing it in a bowl like this. Cut your tree tomato in half and scoop it into an empty bowl. If you'll use few guavas, reduce the quantity of tree tomato as well as your passion fruits, as they can be quite acidic. If you're making serving enough for 2 people, use 1/2 of the tree tomato and 5 pieces of passion fruits. And now that we have everything in place, let's get to the blending part. We will start the blending process by pouring our guava pieces into the jug. Then we will add our passion fruit pulp as well as the tree tomato. We will then add sugar to this mixture. For the amount of guavas I used, I will use 5 tablespoons of sugar. Next, we'll add water. The amount of fruits you use should guide you on the amount of water to use. Your water should be just above your fruits. Start blending on a low speed and then gradually increase your blending speed. Do this until everything is smooth and there are no fruit pieces visible. For this next part, we will need an empty bowl, a spoon, and a sieve. We will sieve our fruit punch, ensuring it is smooth and there's no pulp in it. Continue sieving your punch, and when you're left with this much pulp, get rid of it and then continue sieving the remaining fruit punch. And when you're all done, you should have something like this. To serve it up, I've put some wild berries in an empty glass. You can freeze your drink for a couple of hours before serving it. Or you can put some ice cubes in your glass and enjoy a chilled drink. To top it all up, I will garnish my drink with the same berries.